Hi, this is Arun from FESQUARE. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic. What are the top 3 secrets of money? These 3 secrets I learned when I was in London, and I'm implementing these 3 secrets every single day once I came back to India from London. So I'm going to share the 3 secrets with you now. So stay tuned, stay happy, and stay excited. We're going to learn something very new and fascinating today. Okay, let's quickly move on to the secret number 1. Money follows values based on volumes. What I mean by that is that you should not, as a person, I should not chase money. The money should come behind me. How it will come behind me? For example, you're starting a bookstore in your local hometown and you're selling books. Now what happens? You're adding more values to the people by selling books, and people come to your store, they buy books and they pay you, and you make profit out of every sale. So the money follows values. So once you create enough values to the enough number of people, then the money automatically come and chase you. So that's how the money should be made. If you go behind money, you cannot be more successful. So try to create values. For example, you can take a cine actor. Why the cine actor is getting paid in crores and crores of rupees? He's adding more values. He's adding more entertainment. He's adding more joy and happiness to the viewers. So he was paid crores and crores of rupees. And also, money follows values based on volumes. What I mean by that is that if you're selling books in your local hometown, your maximum potential is within the local hometown. But for example, like Amazon, they're selling books to the entire world. They're serving to the entire planet. You can order a book from Amazon right from anywhere at any time. They will deliver you the book which you ordered. The Amazon is adding more values to the more number of people. So they are the number 1 company, and Jeff Bezos will be gonna be the first trillionaire in this planet. That's because he's adding more values to the more number of people. Same with Alibaba, Jack Ma. He's adding more values to the more number of people. So the money follows values, and the value should be given to more number of people. The amount of money which you make is directly proportional to the number of people you serve. So that's the secret number 1. The secret number 2 is that money should not be stored or money should not be saved. It should be invested, and it should keep floating. Why I say that's the secret number 2 is that, for example, if you invest your money in fixed deposit, the maximum amount of money you can earn is 6%. Okay, and if you're not invested in fixed deposit, you are just keeping your money in your bank account, the maximum interest it can yield is 2 to 3%. That's very minimal, right? And if you didn't keep your money in bank, you're just keeping in your wallet or your wardrobes in your home, the maximum you can use 0%, and every year the money keep depreciating around 6 to 7%, and due to inflation. So money should be invested. For example, if you invest in stock market for 5 to 6 years of time, the average return would be 12%. I mean, in the Indian stock market, BSE or NSE. Or if you invest in real estate, specific product of real estate in a specific sub-market in a country like FESQUARE, we are making around 20 to 25% per annum. Right from 15 to 25% per annum, we are absolutely crushing it in real estate in particular part of the country. Or if you're investing in gold, from 2008 to 2018, the gold has been almost tripled from 1,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees. So the money should be always invested, and the money should be keep floating. It should not be stored, it should not be saved, it should not be put in your bank account or in your wardrobes. The money should be keep floating. That's the secret number 2. Let's move on to the secret number 3. This is like bonus for you. This is like a spiritual rule. What the secret number 3 is that give shall receive. What I mean by that, first you donate your money, then you will receive back in a most unexpected way. For example, you should donate your money to the orphanage. You should donate your money to the suffering ones, so the needy people or people who are sick or who are in need of help. Try to donate even a small amount of money and check how it comes back to you in a most unexpected way. I'm not lying. I learned this rule from Warren Buffett and Donald Trump, Robert Kiyosaki, Grant Cardone, everyone said that give first, then shall receive. Then I checked it when I was in London. I was living on my own salary. I was not depending on my dad, so I was having very little money because I was studying and also working. So I always had a little money in London. And when I was crossing in a bridge, I saw a person who was really suffering because of sickness. I donated £5. I already had very little money at the time. I donated £5 to him. Then I was checking that whether it's coming back. The few days passed, a week passed, and 2 weeks passed. Nothing happened. I just left it, and I also forgot about that. Then after 2.5 weeks, I got a payslip from my company, and I know that the usual payslip. I checked it. There was a usual salary plus £200 as incentives for the newcomers who are performing well. I got £200 as incentives, which I never expected, and suddenly it struck me that I donated £5 2.5 weeks before. Then I thought something, there is a universal rule. It's more of a spiritual rule. Then from every month 14th, I'm still donating to the orphanages in Chennai and around. Not just to get back the money. The donating brings me more happiness and also gives me more healthier and happier, and also some kind of satisfaction inside me. So these are the top 3 secrets of money. At first, money follows values based on volume. That means you should add more values to the more number of people. You should not chase money. The money will chase you when you add more values to more number of people, like Amazon or Alibaba. Then number 2, money should not be stored or it should not be saved. The money should be invested. The money should be keep floating. That's the secret number 2. So don't store your money, invest your money. Then number 3, give shall receive. At first donate, then get back your money. You can donate to orphanages, you can donate to the temple or your society, or the people who are in suffering, and people who are sick, people who need support for their education. Try to donate as much as you can. Even a little money can add more values to him, and also in return it will add more and more values to you in a most unexpected way. These are the 3 secrets of money. So I think you will definitely follow this 3 secrets, and comment at the bottom about what do you think or about these 3 secrets. So I always respect your time and effort in watching my videos and reading my posts. I thank you personally for subscribing to my channel and also watching my content. Thank you so much. So with this, signing off from here, Son from FESQUARE. See you in my next video. Until then, have a good care. Bye bye.